Hello, I'm Dr. Kritzer, and welcome back to Introduction to Infographics. This is Unit 3, Part 1. And today I'm going to talk about the different types of infographics. And one will note that there are many types of infographics. Some might have fast facts, some might have information on people or different kinds of animals. Some might be lists. Some might be checklists. There might be an infographic with questions and answers. One that might show the result of surveys or polls. Oftentimes, infographics have various kinds of charts or graphs or tables. They oftentimes will have timelines, or some will even have maps. And many will have combinations of these elements in infographics. Let's look specifically at each type. The fast facts type, and you can see one here is on the Super Bowl. Just giving quick information for people to access that information, to access that show. Here's one, it's called BioBox. Here's a thing on the black rhinoceros. It could be on a person. This is an infographic as well. Sometimes they take the form of lists, or sometimes they take the forms of checklists. As you can see here, here's a helpful checklist to make sure that your home is burglar proof. Remember, infographics are very efficient ways of presenting important information. Here are question and answers on an infographic. This was on a retirement plan. Just the creme de la creme of the information. Results of a survey or a poll. A bar chart. And it's obvious that on this bar chart, Luxembourg leads in this category, a visualization of data. A line chart. Here we can compare temperature of Buenos Aires to Chicago. A pie chart. And we want to make sure that when we do these pie charts, we don't have too many little categories. Okay, this is a good one. Obviously, water activities takes up the majority of these activities. A table with important information. Tables contain both pictures and text. A timeline. Here's one on the San Francisco. Here's one on earthquakes in San Francisco and Los Angeles. And by the way, there's lots of good timeline software out there. And finally, maps are a part of infographics as well. We can look at this one depicting the various summer temperatures with relations to crops. I'm Dr. Kritzer, and this has been a review of the various kinds of infographics. I will be back with you again for Unit 3, Part 2.